Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to change checkout button color in Shopify. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your website without hiring any developer or any coding skill, then you can continue this video. Here you will get the easy video guideline. Also you will get the code source so that you don't have to write any code or you don't have to know any code. So let's get started. Here is my website and I'm going to scroll down and I wanted to buy this one. Okay, click on the add to cart. Now I'm going to click on the cart icon and you can see that here is the cart page and we wanted to change the color of this checkout button. Okay, to do this, first I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Okay, here is my Shopify admin panel and click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, click on the edit code. Okay, now in the search field type CSS and open base.css file. Just click on this file. Okay, now I'm going to the bottom of this file, create some space and simply here we will add the code. So don't worry about this code, I will share the code links in the video description and you will get this code in my website, so don't worry about the code source. Okay, I'm going to paste the code right now. Here is the code and click on the save. Asset save. Now go back my cart page and reload this page. Wow, the background color, also the text color has been changed. Now you have a question that how you can use different color. It's so easy, let me show you. Just copy this color code and open a new tab and paste the color code in here, and now you can easily change any color. For example, looks here, just I have changed it, looks here, and copy this color code, or you can just click on here. Okay, and go back in here and remove this color code and add new color code. Click save. Asset save. Now reload again. Wow, it's working. So I hope you understand the easy process how you can change the color and also how you can draw this. It's super easy and fast than any other tutorial. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.